In this video I'm gonna talk about my experience installing LineageOS on my Samsung Tab A7. Although I don't have the original footage where I installed the custom ROM, but I can give you specific advices in some steps, and I'll tell you about some of the errors I faced. This video is only for the device I mentioned. If you're looking to install custom ROM on other devices, you might need to check other videos. So first, obviously you need the device I mentioned, and a computer and a USB cable and internet to download some files. So first, you need to go to the LineageOS website and click on Get LineageOS. I'm looking for Samsung, and this is my model, Galaxy Tab A7 Wi-Fi. My tab has this code ST500. Where is it? SMT500. This is the one. There are various models, for example like T505. So make sure your device is specifically this model. If it isn't, then it wouldn't work. Okay, so we're gonna now go to the installation part. So I'm gonna click it. Quickly read through basic requirements. Okay, our computer needs ADB and fast boot. This comes with Windows platform tools, and we need to enable USB debugging. Well, to enable USB debugging, you need to go to your settings and click build number. It's somewhere in your about phone software, somewhere, and then when you click the build number some press, I don't know how many times, it will open. It will give you access to developer mode. You then need to enter developer mode and enable USB debugging. Okay, so the next step, specific firmware. So just make sure you have installed all the updates on your phone, and you are using the stock operating system, I mean the one UI, and not another custom ROM. Okay, so the next step is, well, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. We already enabled the developer option, and make sure you enable OEM unlock now, and you need to download this file. So a vbmeta.emg. So I downloaded from the latest thing, and then you open a command prompt. So to open a command prompt, go to the I have all the files here. So basically, so I have the file here. So open a command prompt here. Either you can click this and press home and type cmd. This will open command prompt in the current location, or shift right click and then press open terminal here. So it will open the same thing. Okay, so open up a terminal and just copy this, Control C, and to paste usually Control Shift V. Control V works differently on terminal, so you press Control Shift V, and that's pretty much it. Press enter, and it will create a file like this. Where's the file? vbmeta.tar, and it says to power off. And then okay, so to enter download mode, this is not the specific key combination. What you need to do is make sure your phone is powered down, and then press and hold volume up and volume down. While holding it, plug your USB cable. Make sure your USB cable is connected to your computer, and then plug it. Then it will open download mode. There's specific instruction on the screen when you whenever you open the download mode. So it should say press and hold volume up to unlock bootloader. So, and then there is another press volume up to continue. So basically you need to press and hold volume up so you can unlock bootloader, and then probably it will restart, and every time it restarts you need to enable developer mode and OEM unlock. Initially the OEM unlock settings will not be visible. You need to connect to the Wi-Fi and then close the settings and open the settings again and check it, or maybe like restart your phone, and it should just make sure your OEM unlock setting is always turned on, or else you will get errors, and you could technically brick your phone if you try to flash when this is turned off. Then it says to download Samsung drivers. Just download it and run the executable file. This will just install the drivers. Later you don't need to run this file anymore. Just setting up initially is just fine. Then you need to install Odin. Odin is a software that allows you to work with Samsung mobile phones. Install the Odin. If you get the zip file, extract it and go to the folder, and well, just keep it open on your desktop. Okay, then you need to go to the download mode again. Like I mentioned, press and hold volume up and down while your device is turned off, and then connect your USB cable. That's the only way to enter the download mode. You can't enter it through your ADB, so that's the only way. Okay, so it will open up. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, the Odin I mean. Okay, so basically we're gonna flash the vbmeta.tar file. Okay, we're gonna click this. Yeah, this will show when you connect your phone to USB cable, your device will show something like COM4 or something. So you need to check this box and select this, and then you need to select your file. Just locate your file, locate vbmeta.tar file where you like moved, or just locate the file and open and press start. and it should successfully flash it. If it failed, then maybe like it failed for me because I was not I did not turn on OEM unlock. So if you unlocked bootloader and your OEM unlock is turned on, everything should be fine. And then it will, your device will start to reboot, and probably you will enter something similar to recovery mode, but it will have less options. It will have only options to reset your reset and clear factory data. Just press that button, clear all your data, okay, and then boot it normally. After that, you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. Just go through the setup, making sure skipping unnecessary things. We're gonna do this a lot of times, so just don't set up anything. Make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi, and then you have your developer mode turned on, and OEM mode is also unlock is also turned on. And then the next part. What is the next part? Okay, so the next part, so we're gonna flash a recovery image. Now you need to download the recovery image. I downloaded the where's the recovery image? Okay, so here we have a recovery image. I always download it from the latest files category or whatever. Just download it, and then we're gonna do the same thing. Go to the location where you downloaded it and open command prompt in that location and run this command. It will create a recovery.tar file, and you need to enter download mode. So next, turn off your device, enter download mode while pressing volume up, volume down, and connecting your phone to the computer, and then open your Odin software. And now what you gotta do is go to the options. Instead, uncheck this auto reboot option. Do we need to? Okay, I think we need to turn off auto reboot, and then check this AP button, and then select. Make sure your checkbox is, you have ticked the checkbox, and select AP, and select the recovery tar file, and press start, and everything should you should flash. That should flash the recovery image, and but you should be in the download mode, because we mentioned that we don't want the phone to be rebooted after it's flashed. So you're gonna manually go to the recovery mode. To boot to the recovery mode, press volume up and power button. Okay, and so how do you know you have entered the correct recovery mode? Well, you'll see the LineageOS logo when you enter the correct recovery. Okay, so the recovery mode will have LineageOS kind of theme, so that's when you know you are in the correct recovery. Okay, so now just go ahead and format data and factory reset. If like if you want to go back to the past page, just press on the arrow button on the recovery mode screen. This is kind of weird because usually you would be using volume up and volume down and power button to select, but if you want to go back, you need to press on the screen. Okay, press on the arrow button and then press the apply update button and then select apply from ADB, and make sure you have the ADB platform tools. It should be easy. I have downloaded the ADB tools and moved them into this folder, tools, platform tools. I have all the tools. So what I did is I added this location to the environment path variable, so I can easily use the ADB command anywhere in my command prompt. So how do you add this to environmental variable path, environment path variable? So type environmental variables or something. For me, it just come up really quickly. So this is the setting. Edit the system environment variables. Click on it and select environment variables and select the path, edit, and you are gonna click a new. Okay, just you need to select this, copy and press new and paste it. Make sure you end it with forward slash like this, or else it will not recognize the files inside of this folder. Okay, that's pretty much it, and you should be able to use the ADB command anywhere in your terminal. So open up the terminal. Okay, so it tells you to download the LineageOS zip file, right? Go ahead and download the latest zip file and go to the folder. Like, where's the I have this lineage zip file here. So, and I edited the file name to just lineage.zip. To edit that, select it and press F2. This will enter rename mode and just type the whatever name you want. And here I'm gonna open up a command prompt. Press shift and right click on your mouse and open in terminal. So we need this because, like I mentioned, I can use the ADB even though the ADB is not in the current folder. Side load. Okay, anyway, before we do this, you might need to like allow the ADB to have access to the debugging your phone. I don't know how, like, right, like when you turned on your USB debugging and connected it to your PC, it will give you the option to always connect to this computer or whatever. So make sure that before you do this, you are actually allowed the ADB to debug. So basically that, and then we need to select the file. Press the first letter of the file and press tab. It should autocomplete. Right, like this is weird. What this as like forward slash, I use the this is a forward slash. I guess I use the we need to use the backward slash, I guess, and press the first letters and press tab and it will autocomplete. That's pretty much it, and it will start side loading. and it will get stuck at 47% though. And then what I got what error did I get? I get total this error X for whatever, and that's pretty much it. I have successfully sideloaded the zip file. Next, I also installed the Google app. So you need to download it from this location, I guess. Download it from ARM64. Download the zip file. I also renamed the zip file to zip. Okay, so we do the same thing. Go select the apply from ADB, and open up a terminal in this location. And now instead of that, press zip and sideload it, and it should sideload it, and you are pretty much done. Just press reboot. You should be greeted with the LineageOS logo, and it will take you to the initial setup. Set up your device, and congratulations, you have successfully installed LineageOS. Now I will show you how it looks like after you have completed all these steps.